Will share an important message about Cebu's flooding and how corruption makes the problem worse. As students and future leaders, it is important and it is our duty to understand why this issue affects our safety. I hope you listen and learn with me. Cebu has faced strong floods in recent years. Many people suffer because of it. Roads are damaged, houses are destroyed, and many families lost their safety. But aside from the heavy rain, there is another problem that makes the flooding worse: corruption. When funds are meant by drainage, river cleaning, and flood control do not reach the right projects, the whole community becomes at risk. As the students and future leaders, it is important for us to understand and to be aware of how corruption can harm our safety, our lives, and our country. Studies from local reports shows that around 1.3 billion pesos worth of flood control projects in Cebu were delayed or poorly built because of corruption. Because of this, more than 40,000 residents were affected by severe flooding in several barangays in just 1 year. The reason? Simple problems like clogged drainage, unfinished canals, and unmonitored construction work. These reasons lead to higher water levels during storms. These numbers and reasons show that corruption is not just a crime. It puts real people like us in danger. If public money is stolen or wasted, communities remain unsafe, and disaster became more stronger and more damaging. Cebu's flooding teaches us a clear lesson: corruption destroys lives. If leaders do not use public funds honestly, communities continue to suffer the consequences. As the new hope of our nation, we must learn to value honesty, responsibility, and care for others by choosing what is right and what is wrong. By choosing what is right and rejecting what is wrong. Because of that, we can help build a safer, a cleaner, and better Philippines for everyone. Let us remember that the real progress begins with truth, fairness, and unity. May this message remind us that corruption hurts our communities, but change always begins with us. As the youth, we must choose to do what is right, even in our small actions. When we start the change within ourselves, we help build a safer and better nation for all. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.